Happy learning!
Hello kiddos! Let's write the letter R. Let's start. Start at the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and go round to the middle. Next, make a line down to the right. Let's try it again. Standing line, half curve, slanting line. Now you try. Now check if you did it right. Good job! Now you know how to write the letter R. Next time we will write the letter S. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.